Welcome back to another segment of Coffee with Jada. Not my coffee here. Mm, Listen, I don't know if you've not heard about it or if you have heard about it, but I want to just talk about it a little bit. So shall we talk about it? So I'm talking to you right now about the young lady by the name of Margaret Circoy or Circo. It's Cirko. I've read about it, but I have not heard about it on the news as far as her name. I've heard mention of it on the news, but not her name. So I don't know how to pronounce it. But she know who she is, and we know what it is. And you'll see it in the you'll see it after this video. You'll see what I'm talking about. So anyway, so Margaret, first of all, I want to say that they mentioned that she is a chronic problem maker. So they have chronic problem, not, did they say chronic? Yeah, I think that's what they said. So that means that excessive, that means she's always doing something in the community. Stop cutting up, Margaret. So the story goes, to my recollection, she goes into the store, has has verbally assaulting a staff member or the staff, then knowing she was sick, intentionally coughed and spat. You didn't hear me. She spit on the produce. $35,000 worth of produce. They had to throw it all away. Okay, and they said that in addition to that, she tried to steal a 12-pack of beer on her before they kicked her out. Margaret, what is wrong, Margaret? Talk to somebody. Listen, they got her. She's on a $50,000 bond or bail. Her bail is set for $50,000. Pardon me. What do you guys think about that? What do you think about that in this time while we all trying to survive with this COVID-19, that she has the audacity to do something like that? So the company already just suffered a tremendous loss, and let's just think about that. Thank goodness they can refill that. How long did it take them to restock the things that we need, that people are running out of? Because we've been shopping like crazy trying to make sure we can stay inside and eat, because that's all we do is eat every minute of every day, because what else is there to do? Well, there's some other stuff to do, but you know what I mean. Come on. So I just wanted to say, Margaret, you need to stay incarcerated. We need you off the streets at this time. She should not come back out until this pandemic is over. So thank you for watching. Thank you for having coffee with me. Remember to live, laugh, and love. Oh, and I got some other coffee that I want to have with you that we need to sip and talk about in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and ask you to like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Stay home. Stay safe. Look at you, Margaret, charged with felony counts of terrorist threats. You went too far this time. Margaret looked like she don't even care. Look at her. She almost smiling. Look how beautifully they restocked the fruits and vegetables. And then look right there where they show that she's tried to steal the 12-pack of beer.